Hi guys and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at 3927 Dunwoody Drive in Pensacola, Florida. We are in the 32503. We are in a great location in Pensacola, very close to the airport, about 5 minutes away, 10 minutes from downtown, but still a nice quiet street. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Just over 2,400 square feet. It was built in 1968, so you will see a lot of character throughout this home today. So let's get inside and take a look. Coming into your formal entryway here. To your right, you can go into your formal sitting room, or straight will take you to your living room and your hallway that has all your bedrooms. There are doors here, so if you want that closed, that is an option. Formal sitting room does have built-ins as well as a fireplace. And nice windows to look over your front yard. This flows directly into your formal dining room, and once again we see the built-ins. Offer beauty and storage. And another window. It's a little gloomy here today in Pensacola, so. Going right into our kitchen, you do have a large kitchen here. Lots of beautiful cabinets. A window to overlook your backyard. Stainless steel sink. Nice large refrigerator. And the other side here for you. This will take you directly into your utility rooms. You have washer dryer hookup here. You also have space for another refrigerator. This door here will lead you into your garage. Ooh, pardon me. And that other side here for you. So you have extra storage for any kitchen things. Do have a half bathroom through here. You've got a nice single sink, commode, mirror, and a window there. Coming back through the kitchen. This will take us directly into our living room. Do have a nice built-in desk as well as a cabinet. As you can see, right into your backyard there. Beautiful wood paneling details. Nice fireplace. Desk area. And the other side of that for you here. As you can see, we have circled back to the foyer area, and we'll go down this hallway that has our 4 bedrooms. You do have the closet with bifold storage. Bifold doors. Closet has storage. Lots of little linen closets throughout the home. Linen closet, another one right here. Full bathroom here for you. You've got the double vanity sinks with storage underneath. Your commode, of course, and then you have a tub shower combo here. Nice tiled detail there. Another bedroom right here. These are all great size rooms. Ceiling fans. Another bedroom here. bright, beautiful room. Large closet there for you. And your fourth bedroom here. This would be your master. We do have the ensuite bathroom in here. You've got a nice large standing shower. And a larger single vanity with storage underneath. Now let's go out to the backyard. It is manicured beautifully. A couple things are already blooming, even though it's not quite spring. Do feel a lot of privacy back here with all the grown-up trees lining the property. You do have a nice slab of concrete here for your patio. Large size, you've got enough room for a table or two, multiple chairs. And yeah, once again, guys, this is 3927 Dunwoody Drive in Pensacola, Florida. We are in the 32503. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home, just over 2,400 square feet. Come check this one out, guys.